Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit dip with cream cheese. This simple recipe is perfect for any gathering or a quick snack. You will only need a few common ingredients to get started. First, ensure your 8 ounces of cream cheese is softened to room temperature. Then, have 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of milk ready. These ingredients form the creamy foundation of our delightful dip. Now, let's create the creamy base for our fruit dip. In a medium bowl, use an electric mixer to beat the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a smooth dip. Next, gradually add the 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, mixing well after each addition until it is completely incorporated and the mixture is smooth. Finally, slowly pour in the 1/4 cup of milk, beating until the dip reaches a perfect, creamy consistency. To elevate the flavor of your fruit dip, we'll add some delightful enhancements. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This classic ingredient truly brightens the dip's taste. If you enjoy a hint of spice, a small pinch of ground cinnamon can add a warm, inviting aroma. For a refreshing citrus kick, consider adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest. Mix these additions thoroughly until they are evenly distributed throughout the creamy dip, creating a balanced and delicious profile. Your delicious cream cheese fruit dip is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it chilled alongside an assortment of fresh fruits. Colorful berries, crisp apple slices, juicy melon, and sweet grapes are all fantastic choices. This dip also pairs wonderfully with graham crackers or vanilla wafers. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh and delightful for up to 3 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.